Hey my beautiful people, so today I'm going to show you how to go from this three-tone color to this three-tone color. Y'all, I am so excited about this. Look at it. I just got to give y'all a moment to really look at it before we hop into this tutorial. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell button because you are not going to want to miss this upcoming content. It's going to be great, okay? So let's hop on into the tutorial. The first thing we are going to do is mix our bleach. Make sure you read the instructions. That's the best way to figure out how much you need to mix together because some bleaches are different than others. So I can't just be like, mix this with this and you be good, because it's different, okay? So that's what we're going to do right here. And then because we have that red hair color that we are starting from, and if y'all want to see how I got that color, make sure you click that video after you watch this one. We're just going to pop in a few of those red corrector drops. It's going to turn our bleach purple because if you know anything about the color wheel, you know purple is across from red. So that means it cancels it out. So let's get started. I just wanted to show y'all the color. And y'all see that already pretty bleached spot. I over bleached it when I did this hair color. So I'm not going to bleach it again. Even though as a mannequin, you know, if the hair break, it break. But we are just going to avoid that little section just to, you know, be good because, you know, the mannequin cannot grow his hair out. There's not much that we can do with fixing the damaged over processed hair. So, yeah, we are just going to take and separate that from the rest of the hair because we are not going to re-bleach this hair. If this was a real client, I would suggest that you put some conditioner on this area. Let that process while you are bleaching the rest of the hair because it keeps their hair from processing with that bleach. It's also just, you know, a little extra treatment for the hair while you are doing all the other things you need to do. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Y'all like my Cleo braids? Yeah. Braid on my hair so I can wear a wig, and now my hair is in twists. Thank God my hair is done, y'all, because I don't be doing my hair. I ain't gonna even lie. We're just gonna place the bleach all over this hair, from the top, well, sort of from the top, since you know we're not doing that blonde part, to the bottom. If you watched that video where I did this hair color, you know at the bottom it's like a reddish chocolate brown color. In the middle is slightly lighter, not slightly lighter, a lighter red color. And then I did blonde just because I thought that would be a good color combination. And I love it. And every time I see it now, I'm like, oh, I kind of sad that I, you know, changed from this color, but I was kind of bored and needed something else. Like I was like, it's time to do something else with this hair. And it's really cute, but yo, it's a mannequin. We can always bleach it again, like until it's bald, until it's looking like Cynthia from the Rugrats. We gonna continue to bleach, dye, curl, braid. I don't know what to tell you. Like everything. It's a mannequin. It's a mannequin. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah. So if y'all want to see how I got that color, make sure when you are done watching this video, you go over to that video. I will link it up in the little links above. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, basically we are just going through and we're gonna bleach this entire head except for that little piece of blonde. And while y'all are sitting there watching this, because y'all know, if y'all know me, y'all know that I can sit and watch people do hair videos all day long. Like I can literally sit there and watch people do like silk presses and hair color and curling and straighten out. Like I just love it. Like I can sit and watch it for hours. It's so calming. I don't know why, but I'm gonna let y'all sit back. Hopefully y'all are like me. Maybe y'all are here just to see how I did this. Maybe y'all are here because y'all like watching these hair videos like I do. I'm gonna sit back, play some music, and y'all can watch this, and I'll jump in when I, you know, need to tell y'all something. Okay, guys, so we are done bleaching. And of course, as y'all saw, we ran out of bleach. It happens. I wasn't going to buy more. So we are on more of the orange side, even with us using the drops, which I feel like is pretty good because we were pretty red and it's not as orange as it could have been, which is always a plus. But I could have bleached more, and y'all will see why in a second. So let's hop into the colors. So I used this Joico color intensity in amethyst purple. Y'all, I was not planning on dropping this video around Halloween, but this purple color is giving me Halloween vibes. Like, it's a semi-permanent, and I'm like, this is so cute. Like, you could mix it, you could do it by itself, you can mix it with a little blue, you could have black roots and purple ends. Like, I feel like this would be so cute. But let's go into the next colors. So in between that purple and our lighter pink, I was like, let's do something that's going to really give us both ends. So I went and got this magenta color, and then I got this rose gold color, and that's why I said we could have went a little bit lighter because it's level 10. And to really get that true rose gold color, you're gonna have to like really lighten that hair up to like a level 10. But y'all know shipping is crazy. Y'all know the supply chains are all over the place right now. And like I said, I ran out of bleach. I could have bleached it some more, but a lot of the products that were suggested to me were out of stock. And when I asked and called and to ask about like, hey, do y'all have this, that, and other, a lot of people were like, no, we don't, because we hadn't had that in months. Like, people can't find the ingredients to make things and blah 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 the other. And I'm like, okay, well, I guess we're just gonna use what I ordered because I can't get the other stuff, it's not in stock. I can't get it. So yeah, that's what happened. So now we're placing this purple on the back section all the way from the roots to the ends. Not a whole lot, probably about an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches of the hair in the back. And then we're gonna also do like peekaboos in the front. It's gonna be so cute, y'all. And when you are thinking about color placement on your hair, you always want to think about like your haircut. If you're planning on cutting your hair, if you're planning on if your haircut isn't like even or even enough, you have to always think about that when you're doing color placement, because sometimes it can How do I put this? Sometimes it can make your haircut look really bad, or your color, more like your color look really bad, or it can magnify the choppiness of your hair. Because you know, some people really love that choppy hairstyle, and if you get the wrong colors, it ain't gonna look good. I'm here to tell y'all because I've seen people do that quite a bit. So right now we are just adding that purple to the roots because this is also going to be our root color, and just putting one of our pinks at the bottom. So I didn't really think about like placements, like how I want to really do the pinks. I was just making sure as I was parting from one side to the other, putting that purple on the roots, and then picking whatever pink I just picked up, off the brush, and making sure I did that across. Now you can do it in blocks if you wanted to. If that was your thing, like you wanted to do like something a little more drastic and you wanted to do blocks, or you wanted to do this piece rose gold, this piece magenta, you could. It's all about how you feel you want your hair color, how your haircut is, and how you plan on styling it. But for me, I just kind of want it all to be together, and you only can tell, like, I feel like when you curl this, it's going to look so cute, and people are going to be like, oh, wait, I can see all the colors, like, it's going to look cute. I hope that makes sense to y'all. Like, y'all saw when I kind of showed you the preview at the beginning, and my fingers were like holding the bang part back, where you can see the purple at the roots, and then you can see that rose gold in certain spots, and you can see the magenta in certain spots. Like, that's what I wanted it to give. Now, if you want to, you can always put the magenta close to the bottom and then put the rose gold at the top, or vice versa. Or you can do half magenta at the bottom, half magenta at the top, or you can do magenta, a row of magenta, a row of rose gold, and vice versa, just so you can get more, definition of, hey, this is magenta, this is purple, this is rose gold. But yeah, for me, I wanted to kind of all like not be together. I would still wanted you to be able to see the difference, but like it be together, if that makes sense. Just watch. If y'all once y'all get to the end and y'all really see the end results, like, like, y'all, I love it. I can't wait to use these colors again. I actually feel like I want to use them not with the same colors, but different. Like, I don't know what I want to use this rose gold with, but I do want to use it again. And the magenta, I'm trying to think like what would go good with the magenta other than purple, because I feel like I've like at this point I've done the red and the browns together. I've done the blacks and the reds together. Done the pink and the purples together. I haven't done blue and purple together and blue and green together. And now I'm like, what other colors can we mix together? I'm gonna think about it. Guys. Because I'm really excited, even though I am running out of mannequins to color. But yeah, I'm gonna think about it, because I have quite a bit left of both of these colors, so I gotta figure out what we are going to color next. And because I'm just gonna be doing the same thing for a couple more minutes, I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch, and then of course I'll come back when it's time for me to talk again. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like wet. So we are about to blow dry it. I'm just detangling, and I know it looks like I'm being like rough on this, but it really wasn't that tangled. It's just because the clip is sped up. So yeah, I'm just gonna blow dry it really quickly because I didn't want to wait for it to dry. Like, yeah, I was being impatient. I was super excited at this point. So this is how the color looks. Oh my god. Look how it looks. It looks so good. Look, guys, can y'all see like the little hints of purple? I mean, not purple, of rose gold and fuchsia in there. Oh god, y'all, look how good it looks. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell button, and comment down below what color should I try next. Until next time, peace out, much love, and thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.